Hey friends, Luck here. So today we're gonna be looking at the Amazfit Pop. So the Amazfit Pop is the name of this device in China, but in the rest of the world it's called the Amazfit Beep U. So they're basically the same device just with different names because sometimes the Chinese producers give them different names for the local market and for the international market. So I got this device here in China. So the operating system for this device is in Chinese. So actually I wanted to do a giveaway for this device, but the operating system is in Chinese and I don't know if people are going to be interested in that. So if you guys are interested in it, then you guys can leave a comment down below for me to know that you're interested in a giveaway for this device. I'm also gonna leave a poll in the community tab to see if people are going to be interested in having a giveaway for this device. So let's talk about the build quality first. So the build quality of this device is definitely nicely built. It is a plastic build around the device itself and with a leather strap. It has interchangeable straps at the back of it, so you can change this strap to any other thing you like. One thing that I do enjoy about this though is the fact that it has amazing colors. Personally, I love the green colorway, but there are other different colorways that you can choose from. You can also choose the black colorway. So let's look at the device itself. So looking at the device itself, first of all, let's have a look at the screen size. I'm going to put it a little bit close so you guys can see how big the screen is. It's a little bit similar to that of the Redmi watch that I have here. They have similar screen designs, but the Redmi watch does look a bit wider than that of the Amazfit Pop. So going into the device itself, when we swipe down, we get what we call the widgets that we use to control the device, what we use on a daily basis. So you have the brightness, you also have the alarm, and you also have the silent mode. You have the battery indicator here, the time and the date as well. So once we swipe up, you get your notification settings. So this is where you get notifications from messages from YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever is connected to your phone that sends you notifications. When you slide to the side, you get the activity ring. So this is for walking and standing as well. It gives you two different activity rings. When you slide to the side again, you get your heart rate monitor. So as you guys can see, sometimes the heart rate monitor just does function even if it's not on your hands, which is quite uncomfortable, especially at night when you're sleeping and you have those lights flashing. It might be uncomfortable for a lot of people. Once you slide to the side again, you get your SpO2 monitor. So this does come with the SpO2 monitor, unlike the Redmi watch, which was something that I said I did not like about the Redmi watch, the fact that it did not come with a SpO2 monitor. The Amazfit Pop does come with a SpO2 monitor, which I think is something that is really amazing. So we also get our stress monitoring system. So this comes with a stress monitoring system. The stress monitoring system does remind me of the one in the Mi Band 6. They do kind of have this similar look to both of them. So once we swipe again, we get the PAI. And once we swipe, we get the weather report. Then we can swipe on the side to get your wallet. So this is the wallet app that comes with the Amazfit watch. I think it's really a really cool concept when you think about it, because this is just like the wallet app that is in the Apple Watch. It's something that's really convenient if you know how to use it or if you use it a lot. Once you swipe to the side, you get your music control. So the music control doesn't allow you to store music in this device. It just allows you to pause and play, also allows you to fast forward and rewind, increase the volume and reduce the volume, but it doesn't allow you to actually store music there, as this doesn't have inbuilt memory. So once you swipe this side again, you get the Alipay. So like I said, this is the Chinese version, so it has the Alipay on it. Once you swipe to the side again, it takes you back to the main screen. So talking about the main screen, if you want to change the watch face, all you have to do is hold down on the device and you can select different watch faces that you can choose from. So these watch faces are also customizable. You can add different widgets anyhow you like to these watch faces. So once you click once, it takes you into the app gallery. So the app gallery is in Chinese, but I'm going to try and explain some of the things here. I'm sure looking at the icons, you guys will understand what most of it means. So this is the heart rate monitoring system, while this is the sleep monitoring system. You have the workout modes as well as the blood oxygen monitor and the stress levels. You also have your breathing exercises, and you have the tracking, the menstrual tracking application. So this is for women, obviously not for men. So if women are interested in this device does have a menstrual tracking system, which I think is really good. You get your alarm clock and just regular things, the Alipay. In the settings, you can also change the watch face from the settings. If you go into the settings, then you can change the watch face from the settings itself. Actually, I tried to go through the settings to change this to English, but I couldn't find a way to do that. So once you hold down for long, it takes you into the workout modes that you have on this device. So you have the basic workout modes on this device. You can get about up to 60 workout modes, I think. So you have the basic ones like indoor walk, outdoor walk, cycling, you have skip rope, swimming, dancing, badminton, tennis. So once you go to the end of it and you do click on this side, then you can add more workout modes to your device. So that is something that you can do on this device. So one thing that I do like about this device is the charger, although I do prefer the charger for the Redmi watch more than I do prefer the charger for the Amazfit. The charger for the Amazfit reminds me of that of the Huawei band or the Honor band. So let's talk about the pricing of this device. You'll be able to get this device for about $50. If you go to most of the websites, you'll be able to get this for about $50. What do I think? Do I think it's a good price for $50 or not? Actually, I think the price for $50 is actually quite good. I don't think it's a bad deal considering most of the things you get. You might be in the camp that thinks SpO2 monitoring systems on watches or smart bands are not that important or they are not that useful. It just depends on the individual and what they think about things like that. So like I said, I'm thinking of doing a giveaway for this device, but it's in Chinese. So you guys have to let me know if you are interested in something like that, because you might have to find a way to change the language yourself, or you might have to use it in Chinese. So if you're someone that's proficient in Chinese or understand Chinese up to some extent, then you might probably be able to use it. Or if you just look at most of the application icons, they might be easy for you to use. And I'm definitely sure when you get your notifications, because when I get mine, I do get my notifications in English. So the device, even though the operating system is in Chinese, is quite usable. So it's just for you guys to decide. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.